This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lacey Groeninger. A Lake Oconee Lake house that checks off all the boxes. Great floor plan, 4 bedrooms plus an office, huge kitchen, level lot, deep water at the max dock affords opportunity for any and every boat, lake views from nearly every room, terrace level has additional living space, beds / bath and storage for all your lake toys. This location offers unmatched privacy and views. Being across from Oconee National Forest, your view will never change and it feels like your own private lake retreat. Come see this great house at a great price and spend this summer living the lake life on Lake Oconee. For more information, review the details below or contact Lacey Groeninger at 706-252-8020 office.